Hey, what's going on? It's Northern Card Collections. We are back with another pack opening for you guys today. Hope you're having a great day. We got 3 absolute fat packs, 20 cards a pack, 3 green parallels on average. Let's see if we can get some sick rookie pulls. Looks like we're starting off with Jerry Jeudy, Carson Wentz, Julio Jones in that Titans uniform. Still weird to see. Tom Brady in the Bucks. Enjoy retirement. Dak Prescott. Kyle Long on the Chiefs. Forgot he was even still in the league. Justin Jefferson. Saquon Barkley. Let's go. Got a nice rookie pull. Najee Harris, numbered out of 99. Let's go, man. This is a nice pack. Ezekiel Elliott. Jared Goff. Michael Strachan. Introductions, Ian Book. By the Storm, Justin Fields. Keep the rookies coming. We got a Greg Newsome, Cleveland Browns. Christian Barmore, Pats. Elijah Moore. Brevin Jordan on the Texans. Anthony Schwartz. And to end it off, Shi Smith on the first pack. Let's go. All right, let's jump into this next one and keep this pack luck rolling. Coming out of that first one with a Najee Harris out of 99, By the Storm, Justin Fields, and Shi Smith because I'm a biased Panthers fan. See if we can keep up this pack luck and see what this one's got in store. Starting off with a Michael Carter, Frank Darby, Caleb Farley off the Titans. Oh, Zach Wilson, let's go. Gotta love getting rookie quarterback pulls. Got a Jeremiah. Oh, God, I can't pronounce that, so won't bother. Got a Daz Newsome off the Bears. Simi Fioco off the Cowboys. Another Greg Newsome. And another Christian Barmore. Patrick Peterson. It's weird seeing him in that uni. Kenny G off the Giants. And a green parallel Trey Sermon. Not bad. I think we still got 2 more in this pack. Stargazing Jalen Hurts. Let's go. And a Unsung Heroes Chris Godwin off the Bucks. We got another Niner with Jimmy Garoppolo. Christian McCaffrey, damn right. Juju Smith-Schuster. Von Miller. Michael Pittman had a breakout season, I'd say. And a Michael Thomas to end off pack number 2. Alrighty, let's jump into this last pack of the video for you guys. Recapping that second pack, you got Zach Wilson, Unsung Heroes, Chris Godwin, Stargazing Jalen Hurts, and a Christian McCaffrey. Hopefully this third one ends off with a banger. Looks like we got Sage Surratt. Yep. Jalen Phillips. Travis Etienne, not bad. Really excited to see him play next season. Jamar Jefferson. Not the Jamar I wanted. We got a Dallas Cowboy, Chancey Golston. Kwity Paye. Justin Fields, let's go. Rookie card. We got a Trevon Moehrig. Josh Palmer. And Quinnen Williams. Myles Garrett. Green parallel. Joseph Ossai off the Bengals. Not bad. Stargazing Tom Brady. Another unsung heroes of Chris Jones off the Chiefs. Russell Wilson. Interested to see where he goes this offseason if he stays in Seattle. Joe Mixon. Patrick Mahomes. TJ Hawkinson. Taysom Hill. And lastly, we got a David Montgomery off the Bears. Well, that was a pretty good 3 packs for what we got. Here's a quick recap. We got Stargazing Tom Brady. Unsung Heroes Chris Jones. Just a base Christian McCaffrey. Stargazing Jalen Hurts. By the Storm Justin Fields. Rookie card Shi Smith. Another rookie card of Travis Etienne. Justin Fields. Unsung Heroes Chris Godwin. Zach Wilson. And the best pull of the video, Najee Harris out of 99. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out our Instagram and eBay account. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We will be posting weekly every Friday, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching.